We're learning more about a new team effort by the Oklahoma City Police and Fire Departments to tackle those wildfires from above.
Yesterday, we told you about their purchase of a Bambi bucket. It will be attached to the police helicopter to dump water on hard-to-reach fires. News 4's Lauren Daniels has more.
We work together so much on so many different types of calls already, and this collaborative effort is one that really benefits our residents to a very large degree.
Though they work together frequently, Oklahoma City Police and Fire have never teamed up quite like this before.
With the city and the size of our city and the continuing growth of this city, it's really awesome to be able to partner with them.
Captain Valerie Littlejohn says OKCPD recently acquired two newer, more powerful helicopters for its Air One unit, and they'll be perfect to carry the fire department's new Bambi Max bucket. Battalion Chief Benny Fulkerson says having the ability to do water drops will be a massive help, as wildfires are a significant problem in Oklahoma City. In the past, the fire department has had the Oklahoma Air National Guard help them with airdrops, and they will likely still do that, but having their own unit will give them a quicker response time.
With 621 square miles and much of that being rural with very rough terrain and with hard to access fires sometimes, to have the ability to put water on those from overhead, that's a huge win for our residents. We're excited to have that collaborative effort in place with our police department.
In Oklahoma City, Lauren Daniels, Oklahoma's News 4.
The fire department has ordered the bucket and hopes it will be here in the next month or so. And when it gets here, training will begin, and they hope to have it ready to use by the end of the year.